Greetings, just a short little video on how to find the responses that I post to your quizzes. So it turns out that if you go into quizzes after you've actually taken one and you want to see the responses that I've posted for you, you can take a look. Let's see here, I got a couple quizzes that I've taken. Let's say quiz 10, okay? And if I take a look at that quiz and I want to see the answers, that there's very likely no proper response to you on these. In other words, you look at quiz 10 and you're not seeing whether or not you got the answers right or not. You just see your answers, and hopefully, you may or may not have a score there indicating whether or not it's right or wrong. So if I posted a comment to you, how do you see that comment? Well, it turns out that going into quizzes is not the place to do it. The place to do it is go and look at your grades. So if you look at your grades and you come in, let's take a look at, let's say module 10 quiz here. If we take a look, you'll see that there are the comments. The comment that I made to you is over off to the side in the quiz, not in the quiz tool, but in your grades tool. So you go look at your returned quizzes in grades, you'll see all the comments that I've made. So as it turns out, it is a bit of something that I didn't realize, that there is a comment box that I can be using that's connected to the actual question. And if I use that comment box, then you'll get a response. Okay, in other words, you'll get something from me. So for example, I posted something in the comment box here, but notice that the formatting is pretty funky. It doesn't format like it does in the normal comment box. So even if I put something down there, it may or may not be as useful to you. You can see multiple choice responses if you go into the quiz tool, but not any of my replies or comments that I put back to you. So the best place to go take a look at the correct answers that I have posted to you, my responses to you with respect to your quizzes, is actually in the grades. And you'll notice, you see the little box here says that I've given you a comment. You can actually even just click on that and it'll give you the comment, but not quite as useful because it's out of context. Okay, so if you go and click on the quiz here, then you'll see the quiz and you'll see the comments next to it. Okay, so one more one. Let's go take a look at that one I showed you that was a combination of multiple choice and an essay question. So if we go take a look at module 13 quiz and we click on that, you'll see that the correct answer is there. If I put the comment in the box, it shows up here, or it shows up over here in the comment section. Okay, so either place the comments will show, and of course the multiple choice response also shows up there. So hopefully that clears up any issues you've been having with how do I find out what the heck you told me about, how come I got the question wrong.